Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Cinco de Mayo taquitos that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing Cinco de Mayo taquito chicken, these are the ingredients: black pepper, salt, mayonnaise, cotija cheese, salt, garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, jalapenos, half a bell pepper, corn, of course, chicken, and tortillas. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious Cinco de Mayo taquitos. So let's get started. First, I want to start here with the 3 chicken breasts. We're going to go ahead and cook them. I have a pan with boiling water. I am going to add the chicken into the boiling water. To this, I'm going to add my 2 bay leaves, my salt. Remember, salt is to taste, and of course, my 2 garlic cloves. I am going to cook it for about 30 minutes. I am going to check it in about 10 minutes, making sure that I remove all the white stuff that comes out of the chicken. You want to make sure that you take this off so that you could use the chicken broth for rice or for another recipe. Well, here I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let it cook for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, then you are ready to remove the chicken breast. And of course, now that it's nice and hot, this is the time to shred all the chicken breasts. It'll be easier and it's going to pull apart very easy. Look at this. After you pull it apart, just put it aside and let's continue by making our esquite. I am using 1 red bell pepper that I'm going to slice, and then I am going to cube it. I want to cube it small so that it really incorporates into the corn. This is the part that takes longer, preparing the esquite. Look at this. This is exactly how you want the small little pieces of your bell pepper. Well, here I am going to continue cubing all my bell pepper. Let me tell you, these taquitos come out delicious. I am sure that once you try them, you're really going to love them. Well, here in this bowl, I'm going to add my corn. First, I'm going to add the corn here, and then I'm going to start adding the red bell pepper and the jalapenos. Okay, let's continue with the jalapenos. The jalapenos sometimes come out very spicy, so what I like to do is cut the edge and then take out the seeds and the veins. Devein the jalapeno, because if you want to enjoy this esquite with not too much heat, remember to remove the vein of the jalapeno so that you really enjoy this amazing recipe with your taquitos. I am going to do the same thing with the rest of the jalapenos, removing the seeds and removing the veins. This part is very important because you don't want to enjoy this and for this to be really hot. You want to make sure that you enjoy it the right way. Well, here the jalapenos are nice and cleaned, deveined, and now I'm ready to slice them. After I slice them, I'm going to cube them so they really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. It doesn't smell spicy, so I hope it's not spicy at all. Look at this. Okay, I am going to continue dicing the rest of the jalapenos. When this is done, I'm ready to transfer it. And look at this. I have all the ingredients ready. I have the pinch of salt, the pinch of black pepper, I have the mayonnaise, and now I'm ready to incorporate. If you got up to this video, to this part of the video, and you like and you love what you see, well, let me tell you,
Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all my amazing recipes and delicious recipes, baking, making tacos. I am sure that once you follow me, you're going to continue following me with these amazing and delicious recipes. This recipe is for the Cinco de Mayo celebration. Easy, delicious, with ingredients that you might already have in your pantry. Look at this. Okay, once this is done, we are ready to start rolling our taquitos with the chicken. I have warm tortillas. I am going to add and be very generous with the filling of the chicken, and we are going to roll them up. Once you have everything nice and rolled up, tacos, you decide. Well, here we are ready to fry them. On the stove, I have a pan with hot oil, and I'm going to start adding one by one, making sure they do not open on you, okay? You want to add them in here, get them nice and golden brown, and when they are nice and crispy, you are ready to remove. Have ready a plate with some napkin papers to take away the excessive oil. Okay, I'm gonna start removing them. And of course, I have a big family, so I am going to continue frying more taquitos. When I'm done, I'll show you how I'm going to prepare my delicious plate. I am really going to enjoy these amazing taquitos o flautas. How you know them? Well, here, this is my plate. I'm going to add my 4 flautas. I'm going to be very generous with the sour cream. I'm adding sour cream. Of course, I'm adding the esquite, the corn, right on the top. And I'm going to be very generous with the esquite. I'm going to add some cotija cheese. And of course, the tajin powder. Look at this. Tajin, chili, and lemon. And this is what I have everything nice and organized. I am ready to enjoy and can't wait for the presentation. I hope you enjoy it too. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am done with this amazing recipe. Tacos for Cinco de Mayo. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Amazing. This is truly delicious. I hope, my friends, you can make this amazing recipe at home. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.